I am vlogging today because somebody is going to the Corgi Beach meetup. Are you excited? Are you excited? You can't wait, can you? She is so excited. So right now, Papa and I are driving to where?
I know.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We're driving to Huntington Dog Beach for the spring Corgi Beach meetup. The first time Eddie had gone to one of these events, she was petrified of everything. She was running away from people that she didn't know. She was running away from other dogs she didn't know. She was running away from the ocean because apparently she doesn't like water. But now that we've socialized her a lot more with other dogs, we're hoping that she is going to be very eager to meet all of her other friends there. I forget how many corgis show up. I mean, it's hundreds of corgis show up to this event. It is massive. Check in with you guys later. Bye! We're here in Huntington Beach, but we're having a hard time actually finding the dog beach. We originally put in Huntington Beach, which took us to the beach. Realized that was too generic, so then we typed in dog park and it physically took us to a dog park and not the dog beach. We're both so excited, we just can't wait another 10 minutes to get there, but we're gonna have to because we got turned around. How are you doing? Are you bored of being in the car? Are you ready to go to the beach? Do you want to direct us? You can be navigator. Yeah? Do you want to be navigator? Yeah. Good job. You say hello to everybody. Say hi. Hello. I want to go to the beach, but we lost. Help me. Hi friends, so we finally made it to Huntington Dog Beach. We are so excited for the Cal Corgi Beach Day that is happening this spring. It is beautiful outside. It is a bit overcast and has been raining, but I think we're going to have an absolutely wonderful time. For those of you guys that don't know about this event, this is a biannual event that is held by Cal Corgi Nation, and they invite all the corgis in the SoCal area to have a good time. They have booths, they have vendors, they have competitions for best costume, best swimsuit, and all of that, and a bubble show at the end. So let's go ahead and check it out and see all those other cute corgis. It is a bit windy today, a bit cold, a little drizzly, but still great weather to go out and meet some friends. Look at her go. She's just too excited. Are you excited? Let's go. Let's go, let's go. There's still people here. How awesome is that? Hi friends, so it started raining really badly while we were out and about today at the gathering, so we are actually hunkering down underneath a lifeguard station. How cool is that? So we have some lovely friends that we've made that are allowing us to hunker down, and we are just gonna wait until the rain passes and then we'll enjoy some more time. But at least now I can vlog. I was really afraid to go ahead and take out my camera when it was pouring rain, didn't want to destroy the equipment, but now I can vlog because I am under this lovely lifeguard tower. So I will check in with you guys later. Bye!
Really? You didn't say. You did say. You did say. Hi.
Hey, friend.
Okay. The rain's gone.
Here we are at Queen's Best Stumpy Dog Rescue. If any of you guys are ever interested in adopting amazing corgis, this is the organization to go through. They are absolutely amazing in rehoming and taking care of dogs and placing them in forever homes. We are both strong supporters of adoption, so please check out Queen's Best Stumpy Dog Rescue. They are absolutely amazing. And just look at all the puppies, all the amazing corgis that need a forever home. They all need a home. So if you're interested, go to their Facebook, go to their website, and check them out.
This is your 2016 Spring Corgi Beach Day Mono!
Some other corgi, watch some of the competitions, the bubble show, but now we have to go home. She doesn't look too sad, but I think Eddie got a lot of exercise, a lot of socialization. It was amazing, and we met a lot of really, really cool people and really cool dogs. This event is always amazing. If you are in the SoCal area and love corgis or own one yourself, you'll definitely want to make sure you check out the SoCal Corgi Beach meetup. I will go ahead and leave the links below down in the comment section, and I will talk to you all later. Bye! And there she is, being a derp.